everybody, welcome back to the channel. This video is a bit of a special one because we are in Calgary in Alberta, Canada, and we've been out today. We've been to Made by Marcus on 17th Avenue. Now, we follow them on social media. They make lots of amazing, apparently, ice cream, so we really wanted to go over there and see what it was like. So we went out for the day, had a look around and headed over onto 17th and went in and had a look. The first thing that we noticed when we went in is it was really clean, really tidy. The staff are really pleasant, very helpful, nice size menu. It's technically still not in season yet, so I mean, it's looking outside, it looks lovely. Hold on, let me just spin the camera around so you can see outside. It looks very pleasant, but it is pretty chilly. Let me straighten this back up. It is pretty chilly. It's a wind chill of -20 centigrade at the moment, so we're back inside tonight, all wrapped up nice and warm. But the flavours that we had or chose were, one was quite a unique one. We went for the Valrhona Chocolate. Now, we made that the other week, and I really wanted to compare that to ours. And we also went for the vegan chocolate fudge brownie, the Malted Mini Egg, and the Lemon Merinue Pie. The marshmallows were an addition. She asked if I wanted 1 or 4, so obviously I went for 4 because I'm a pig. But let's talk about the flavours. So the Valrhona chocolate was really nice, as you'd expect, but it was identical to the one that I made the other week. So that's a great sign for those watching our channel and that follow us, that the ice cream recipes that we give you are the same, if not better, than the ones you can buy out in the stores. The next flavour was the vegan chocolate fudge brownie. Now, that was an interesting one for me. I didn't really know what to expect. One thing that did jump out at me was coconut. It was obviously made with a coconut heavy base somewhere, whether that's coconut milk, coconut cream, I don't know. Texture though was really good. The texture itself, as we know, vegan ice cream can be quite difficult to make. Theirs was spot on. I just wasn't a big fan of having coconut flavour come through on a chocolate ice cream, but each to our own. The next flavour was Lemon Merinue Pie. Now, this one was really good, really good. It was a lovely strong lemon flavour with really deep buttery biscuit-based pieces all mixed in, gave you a really nice texture change. I mean, you know, that was actually, that was our favourite flavour of the 4. Finally was the Malted Mini Egg. Now, mini eggs taste quite different over in North America than they do back at home. But once they're all blended in with a malted vanilla ice cream, it all just tastes really nice and yummy, quite warming, quite homely kind of ice cream. One thing I have to point out about all of these was the texture was amazing. I mean, astonishingly good. So the reviews and write-ups for Made by Marcus are there for a reason. They get very good reviews, and this is one of them as well. So if you do find yourself in Calgary, I think they've got a few stores floating around now in Calgary and Edmonton, make sure you pop in and try some of their ice cream. It is astonishingly good. So little review for you for a little standalone company trying their best to make their mark on the world. Made by Marcus, definitely worth visiting.